then those 3 U braces, I call them U braces, they're U-shaped. So they just snap in the top up there, and then through those straps on the bottom and keep them pulled out nice and tight. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and put it on a filter and turn it on. And here's a look at the finished product. And you'll notice as you get the pool all the way full, the sides kind of straighten out. How it was bowed in, it's all pushed out nicely. All of our legs on the side, these posts go behind the strap there. And then I've got it on some wood blocks down there. And then down to our solar heater, across, and then back to the return to the pool. And then later in the summer, when the pool actually starts to get too hot, we'll actually end up taking this solar heater out of the equation. So to do that, what I'm going to do is take the return and bring that down and hook it up here. Actually, I'll probably reverse those two. So this going to the filter actually comes from the filter. So we'll go this tube here, we'll hook up there, and then this side here we'll hook up to that hose, the end right there. Then it'll end up coming from the filter and then just going right back to the pool, kind of bypassing this, because otherwise the pool will get too hot. And one final tip, if you have little kids around and you want to keep the ladder away from them, some people will take the ladder out